Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1964 Ford Falcon convertible. Love these cars, guys. I've always been in love with these Falcons. Love the convertibles. This is just a great body style, and this is just a great car. Factory Wimbledon white car. It's got the black and white vinyl interior. Original 260 factory 4-speed car, which is super cool, and I bet you it's pretty darn rare. So original V8 4-speed power top. It's a recent body up restoration, and just a pretty car, guys. Nice straight car. Turn the key, point the direction, and go. It's just a good car. Matter of fact, the guys just laughed at me. They know that I love these cars. I'm about 6'2", 230, so I don't exactly fit in them real good, but I love these cars. Great looking body style, and the tough thing to find is nice ones, because you know, parts aren't easy to get for these cars, and so a restoration gets very pricey. Chrome and stainless is very nice. You can pick at it just a little bit, but it's really pretty darn nice. You can see some little, you know, marks in it, but bumpers are definitely new. Love the Wimbledon white with the black and white interior. Slick paint. Again, that is the original color. I bought this locally from a buddy of mine, and unfortunately he is in the hospital sick, so we're going to wish Jimmy a get well soon. We love you, buddy. We're praying for you. Buckets Council 4-speed. It's got a power rear antenna. I love the taillights on these cars. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got all brand new BF Goodrich rubber all the way around it. New 16 and 17 inch American Racing torque thrusts. A couple little marks on the bumper, this rear bumper. Pretty car, man. Again, factory 260 V8, stock 2-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. You can see the car's detailed up really nice underneath the hood. It's got the chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers. There's your original VIN underneath the hood where they put them. Just a killer little car. That's a vintage tach. It actually was an original Sprint tach when Jimmy bought the car. When he was restoring it, door handles are pretty nice. They show a little wear there. It was kind of busted. He said it was all busted up and it didn't work. There's your door tag. So he sent it out, and the same company, I guess, that used to build them, a I can't remember the name, but he sent it out and had it rebuilt by them. Again, bucket seats council. I love the black and white interior. It is a power top. It $66.95 is what's on the restoration. Factory dash. There it is. It's a Faria tach, original AM radio. It's got the original owner's manuals in the glove box, stock shifter. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. You go ahead and start unpinning that way, or I'm pulling that way we can put the top up. There's your power antenna. It does come with a car cover. I'm not sure what that's just. Oh, that's probably for the cover. New fuel tank. Car's all body color in there like it should be. Like I say, just a killer little car, man. Fun car to drive. Nice and clean underneath. You see how nice that trim is? Jay just pulled the boot off. The top, we'll put the top up and show you the top and see how nice those seats are. Just runs and drives excellent, guys. See how nice that emblem is. Fuel gauge works. You can hear the radio in there working. Parking brake does work, guys. Oh, go ahead, Jay. See how nice that the top works too. It's quick. Tach's working, right? Yep, tach works. See gauges underneath work. Oh. It's got a switch underneath for the power antenna. Radio does work, right, Jay? Radio's working. Blower motor work. Blower motor does work. Yeah. Blower motor's working, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's just a good car. Have a great day, guys.